Are you looking to transform your outdoor space into somewhere you can enjoy all year round? Today, we're taking a closer look at the incredible Norfolk Leisure Royce Cube Pergola, one of our most popular luxury pergolas here at Midlands. With its contemporary design, premium aluminium construction, and clever bioclimatic roof system, it's easy to see why the Royce Cube has become a favourite for homeowners across the UK. The Royce Cube also features an integrated drainage system. Rainwater is channeled through the roof when closed and discreetly down the hollow legs of the pergola, keeping the area underneath dry and helping prevent water dripping onto your furniture when the roof is opened again. The Royce Cube is built from heavy-duty, powder-coated aluminium, making it rust-resistant, low maintenance and designed to withstand the British weather for years to come. It also features double-skinned Louvred roof panels, unlike any other competing model. The aluminium frame carries a 5-year manufacturer's warranty. Although it can be installed by competent DIYers, many of our customers choose our professional installation service, giving complete peace of mind and ensuring everything is assembled perfectly. Watching it come together is always impressive, as the clean architectural lines really begin to define your outdoor living space. One of the standout features is the adjustable Louvred roof. The roof is split into 2 independently operated sections, allowing you to choose exactly how much sunlight or shade you want. On a warm summer's day, simply open the double-skinned louvers to let the sunshine and fresh air flood in. If the weather changes, close the roof and you'll instantly create a sheltered space to continue enjoying your garden. When it comes to outdoor living, privacy and comfort are just as important. The optional pull-down screens provide additional shade from the sun, shelter from the wind, and extra privacy whenever you need it. They are UV resistant, easy to operate, and can completely change how your outdoor space feels throughout the day. As the sun goes down, the Royce Cube really comes to life. Integrated solar-powered LED lighting allows you to continue enjoying your garden long into the evening without needing a mains electrical connection. Whether you're entertaining friends, enjoying dinner outside, or simply relaxing with a drink, the ambient lighting creates a fantastic atmosphere. There are still plenty more reasons why you should consider investing in the Royce Cube. Here at Midlands, we're specialists in luxury outdoor living. Our knowledgeable team can help you choose the right Royce Cube size, explain all of the available accessories, arrange professional installation, and offer expert advice before and after your purchase. If you'd like to learn more, visit our website or get in touch with our friendly team today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more outdoor living inspiration, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.